Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to extract all media files from a WhatsApp chat. You can extract files and other media such as photos, videos and voice memos from a WhatsApp chat. If you want these subjects for another use, you can export your chat history including the media files as a .zip document. Then you can share it via email, message or airdrop. You can also save it to files. You can extract content from individuals or group chats. Some of your WhatsApp chat may contain a lot of photos, videos, documents and other objects. Extracting these items one by one may take a lot of time or even be impossible. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So I am going to tell you how to export any media from WhatsApp. For this, open WhatsApp first. Open the individual or group chat you want to export its media file. Tap the number, contact name or group name at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and then tap on export chat. A pop-up will ask if you want to attach media. Select attach media. If you only want to export text messages, then select without media. Now your chat history with media will be exported. The WhatsApp app will create a zip file. Among the share options, select where you want to send this file. You can airdrop it to another device like your Mac. You can email it to someone or you can save it to files. Now the zip file you saved or shared will contain a text file. This is the chat history. The file will also contain all of your media you shared with the group or contact including photos, videos, PDF files, etc. Your Mac will unzip the file automatically. If not, then you can unzip it easily. I hope this video will help you how to extract all media files from a WhatsApp chat, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.